Hey honeys, welcome back to Kip's Natural World. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big thank you to all our returning subscribers and our new subscribers. We know we love you to the moon and back. We appreciate you. So today we thought we'll share with you our hair wash day routine. We're going to do a deep conditioning treatment using K Culture maximum strength conditioning and treatment cream. We're also going to be adding some fresh ingredients, some honey, banana, avocado, and some egg. Okay, make sure the avocado and banana is really ripe and soft. Okay, it works much better. You can see the avocado is so soft, see the touch, and that's how you want it. We're also going to be adding our K Culture maximum strength conditioning and treatment cream for little heads, as you can see. Okay, you want to make sure that you mix the treatment cream and the fresh ingredient really well. Okay, you can see the hair is very dry. Okay, and it definitely needs this treatment at the moment. So we're first of all going to give the hair a good wash, because you want to make sure that there is no product buildup on the hair strands. Okay, to avoid the hair benefiting from this treatment. Okay, because all the product we've used in the week, we want to make sure we wash it off so that the treatment can penetrate deep into the hair strands. Okay, please don't ask me why we're wearing goggles. Some people love to wear goggles to wash their hair. Okay, we are actually using our cream of nature sulfate free shampoo that I'll show you. Okay, this is so good. It has no sulfate, alcohol, and all the chemicals, okay, that are not good for your hair. Okay, so, and also showing you how to wash your hair, guys. You know most of us, we try to just use our fingers, okay, especially the fingernails, to scratch the scalp. That will get rid of your natural oils, and that can be very sore, can cause sore to your scalp as well. So try and use the palm of your fingers, the ball of your fingers, rather than your fingernails, your fingers actually scratching the scalp. That is not a good practice. Okay, let's try not to do that to our gentle and tender fragile scalp. Okay, as you can see, the hair is all washed. Okay, and we're ready to apply our treatment cream. Okay, you can see the cream and the mixture is gone a bit darker whilst it was sitting waiting for us while we wash the hair, but that's okay. It still has all its nutritional values, nothing lost. Okay, you want to start applying right from the ends. Okay, making your way to the root and coating every hair strand in this mixture. You really need to, especially the ends, which is more exposed and more damaged. Okay, now I just want to say something quickly here, that guys, you do not need any of these fresh ingredients with the treatment cream. You can go in with just the treatment cream without the fresh ingredient. The avocado is just for people with very tough, hard hair, okay, to make the hair a bit more softer. The egg and the banana and the honey is just to give your hair a bit more protein and give more shine, okay, to the hair. But you can have all of that in the treatment cream. Okay, you don't need to add it if you don't want to. And if you're doing the treatment without all these fresh ingredients, you can actually put the treatment in your hair overnight till the next day, which will give it more time for the product to work on your hair. Okay, so that's it. You do not need to add any of this fresh ingredient. And also want to say that this video is for both adults and kids. Okay, using the treatment cream, we are only sharing this with you because our kids range, okay, products actually was the first to run out. So we know a lot of our family have the kids product, and thought you benefit from this video on how to use the product here. So now we're done. We're going to cover it with a cup, any plastic cup, shower cup, okay, just to get the treatment to work in the hair. You can go for 45 minutes, an hour, but we went for a while. We went for quite a long few hours, like we went for a good number of hours, maybe 4 hours. We started very early in the morning, okay, so that you give it more time. Start early, and after hours, a few hours. And also don't forget to set a certain shower cup aside for this, because the treatment can be quite messy. So try not to use your favorite shower cup. Get yourself your own particular shower cup that you normally use. You can see, guys, if you notice, the treatment has gone very dry on the hair because the hair has absorbed all the treatment, all the the liquid, the moisture from the treatment, and that's so amazing. Now we are done, guys. You can see this cup is all clean, the hair is all clean, And when you're drying the hair after the wash, also when you're washing the hair, please do not use shampoo. Okay, just rinse it with warm water and you're good to go. We're going in with our extreme growth scalp and hair therapy oil for little heads. Okay, like I was saying, when you're drying your hair after the rinse, do not dry completely. Leave a bit of moisture, a bit of water in the hair. As you can see, there's a bit of white stuff. That is water, that is not dirt, because you don't want to work on dry hair. It will break your hair. Leave a bit of water in there, okay, so that you seal it with the oil. The oil becomes a sealant and seals it in, seals the water in, keeping your hair moisturized. We are not using any hair moisturizer or detangler because the treatment cream has got moisturizing ingredients in there, and you will notice that it's made the hair so soft. All the tangles and knots has been so soft, and it made it easy to comb through and get all the tangles and knots out. Okay, but you can go in with your favorite moisturizer, the detangler, but we decided not to add too much product, okay, so that there won't be too much product actually on the follicles, preventing the hair from benefiting from all the nutritional all the nutrients in the oil. We just want we want the hair to be free from too much product. I hope it makes sense. Yeah, so that's why we decided not to put anything in. Normally we will use ambunu or aloe vera to detangle our hair, but we don't need that because everything is in the treatment, guys. Okay, guys, at this moment I just want to say something here. Okay, so we saw a comment from somebody, say Tasha Scott, okay, on a social media platform, where she was saying something really good about this our therapy oil. Okay, and I thought that was so nice of her. It was amazing. We don't know her from anywhere, but our video was shared, our hair oil video was shared on social media, and she came out to say such a lovely thing about how good this hair oil is, and we just want to give her a shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. I hope you subscribe so you can join us in growing our hair. Okay, thank you so much for that. So guys, you can see, make sure you coat the hair, every single strand, in the oil. Don't forget that, especially the ends, like I said, which is more prone, more exposed and more damaged. Okay, and like I said, if you're doing the treatment, okay, without the fresh ingredients, you can do it overnight. Okay, you can do it overnight so that your hair will have more time, okay, to absorb the treatment and work better on your hair. And you have to start early as well, okay, so that you have more time. Okay, if you're not doing overnight, start early so you can have more time for the product to work well on your hair. You can see the comb is just running through in the hair, without any pressure, without any force. Okay, there's tangles, you can see there's tangles in them, but the comb is just able to comb through because the tangles have been made soft, okay, and easy to comb. And that's what the treatment does for you. Now the hair is almost all detangled, okay, and with all I'm going to do now is just give the hair a little bit more massage. I'm going to give the scalp a little bit more. You can see, guys, it's all done, and the hair looks very well oiled and moisturized. I'm just giving it a bit more massage of the scalp because that helps with the blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. So try and give your scalp a good massage every time you oil it, okay? And don't forget as well, don't work on dry hair. Make sure there's a bit of water, a bit of moisture in the hair before applying your oil to your scalp and your hair strands, okay? You can see the scalp is so clean, no product in there, none of the ingredients is left on the hair strands or the scalp, okay? And when you're applying the product as well, try and avoid the scalp. Don't put it on the scalp so that the scalp will be free, clear for the oil to penetrate deep into the scalp to work on the scalp. Now, guys, when we finished detangling, we didn't have much time. We had to go to church, so we decided to go to church without doing any protective style. And then when we came back, we did this beautiful protective style, which is just twist. Okay, you can see it's not tight. Twist is very loose. Try not to make your protective style too tight, okay, putting tension on your hair and your scalp, okay, of causing breakage, okay, and all the issues. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless. Take care. Bye.